Hi guys, what's up? Today's video is a how do you call that? Unpacking? Unboxing, yeah. I ordered clothes. That's new. So I don't know if you know Zalando. I don't know if it's pronounced differently in other language. Like in English it might be Zalando or yeah, we call it Zalando. It looks like this. So yeah, it's one of my favorite sites to order clothes since I don't even know, very long time. I thought that it was only for like Belgium and like the Netherlands maybe. Well yeah, definitely. But because when I was at my boyfriend's house and I was like doing some online shopping because he's like working, and yeah, I typed it in just to, like have a look if it exists, and it did. So I'm not sure, like I was like, how do you not know this website? Oh, it's German. Wait. Okay, so Germany as well. Oh, it's active in 17 countries. That's actually quite a lot. So yeah, this is my box. Ugh, it's quite heavier than I thought. So I don't really know what I ordered yet. It's not much, like, I'm not rich. Let's see. Oh, I'm so like out of breath because my nose is stuffed and let's open this bitch. Oh fuck. This is the scent nudes. This is the dress. And this is my trousers and my shoes. That's like the coolest box I've ever seen. Like, seriously. Every journey needs a first step. Some deep shit. Oh, they're not gonna fit. Oh, that's something else. Okay. I know, right? That's like, yes. Yes! Let's try one. So I might try this dress. I just find it so hard to know what size I am. Like it's always different, and these days they make clothes like, oh yeah, that's Italian, so you have to take like 2 sizes bigger. Oh yeah, that's whatever, that's like 2 sizes too small. No, it's the same. I don't know. But yeah. I don't know about this one. It's quite long and I don't have long legs. So let's try it out. So that's really long. Like, I don't know, because like my mom would definitely say that this is like something to sleep in. I'm sorry, but who puts a card in his shoe? Like, that's annoying. I do like this dress. I'm just feeling like it's gonna be too long for me. I don't know. I didn't see it in the mirror yet, so fuck me. Why is this so hard? What's the point of this? I'm gonna have to do it. Okay, so they fit, but fucking hell, why does it doesn't slide, that's for sure. They fit, but I mean, I'm maybe planning on wearing socks with it, so that might be a problem. This is like really old. Like, that would have been better, but I don't know about shoes. Maybe if I try like a belt. So of course when I think mum's gonna say she hates it, she loves it. So next dress. Like yeah. It's like something I would sleep in though. Yes. I don't even know, like trousers and me is like the worst combination. I always have the issue like if I buy trousers and it fits perfectly around my legs, I have like a gap this big where my stomach is. So. Never mind. But see, this is what I mean. Like I had issues getting it over my legs, but then eventually, do you know like the trousers that you can't pull them off? Like normally it's like pull like this. So, it's so exhausting, like shopping is exhausting, even like at home shopping. Okay, so guess we gonna buy everything. I'm just gonna be bad. So I normally pay my clothes myself, but sometimes I'm like my sister and she goes like, oh mom, I need this, and mom's like ah. And then 2 days after she asks again and then she gets it. So I'm gonna try that again. Like I'm gonna try that too. So I'm gonna be like, Dina gets everything she asks for, so can you please buy this? I guess that was it. So yeah, that was the end of the video. If you want to see my new clothes, I'll link everything down below. And yeah, bottom line, I'm gonna buy it all probably. So yeah. My nose is so stuffed. Yeah, that was the video. If you liked it, you know what to do. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more.